All right, this is your boy tebo once again with relationship, love, and marriages reset. One step, like I told you in the next clip, I will be explaining to you. The first step is one, acknowledge what happened honestly. Don't make like you want to accept, you don't want to. Both partners need to face the issue without excuses or denying the fact that you did not or you did. Step two, open communication. That is, the person who broke trust needs to be transparent. No secrets, no hidden, no hidden agendas, and the person hurt needs to express feelings openly without attacking. Step three, patience. With patience, trust is not rebuilt overnight. It takes consistent effort over time. Step four, small actions matters. Follow through on promises, show reliability, and celebrate progress. That's how it's to be built. And final conclusion, trust can be rebuilt, but it takes courage and commitment for both sides if you want me to divide deeper or to dive deeper into forgiveness. And trust building exercises, let me know below. Don't forget to subscribe for more relationship reset with me, Tebo. Thank you guys. Have a nice